scared, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The Trailer Park Way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the Trailer Park Way. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Hooray!
Hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen. And welcome to the Trailer Park Rumpus Room. And welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2018, where I'm showing you how the Trailer Park celebrates the holiday. Well, Trailer Park Rumpus Room is where I sit and chat with y'all and talk to you about the behind the scenes of the craziness of Trailer Park Christmas. It's where I do a video every day from December 1st through December 25th, and this past week has been absolutely crazy. We actually did a nice, this is actually a calendar. If you haven't gotten it yet, you can get it at trailerparkchristmas.com, and you can track and see all the videos. You can use it as a check-off list, and I see that yesterday we did a great Hawaiian-style frozen pie, because why not freeze the tropics and just bring it home to the trailer? Because I've never actually been to an island, and I do have friends that live on the island, and I see their picture and I'm like, that certainly doesn't look like my trailer park. But I thought I'd do that because I just needed some just brightness for the buffet table, and I certainly do like a frozen pie, and I thought I'd share with this one. This one had some great flavors, and people really seem to enjoy it, and aloha to the people on the islands, and I think you'll enjoy it, even though I know it's not fresh. We don't get many things here in the trailer park, and we don't get the fresh amazing pineapple that falls off the tree, but I do hope you like that pie. And we always do a gift in a jar, so that was another thing that we did. And certainly gifts from the heart, things that you make this year. It's been a tough year for y'all, and certainly things that you can make from your cabinet is something that is special, and people will remember that, and ingredients that you probably already have in your cabinet, and it'll look all pretty, and that was just something that was special that you can do. I've got a lot of those videos from the past too, so you should check that out, especially that tea that you can make. It's kind of like a spice tea. That was one of my favorites with that. And then we have one that's marked Chef's Choice. Now, we actually did a candy made from mashed potatoes. Now, I saw a lot of people posting about this. Now, I know that this is a classic vintage candy, and I don't know why it falls out of fashion. But it is great, and it's surprising, and it would be the talk of your buffet table if you made this. And it's so simple to make, and it's using mashed potatoes and some simple ingredients like powdered sugar, and it's surprising, and I think it needs to make its way back. And it's potato candy, and it's got peanut butter in it, and I know it sounds unusual, but I think you'll like it, and I think you should try that. And then this was so good, I was eating so much of it, and it is a restaurant style queso dip, a cheese dip. And I know that a lot of cheese dips can go wrong on a buffet table, and this one stays creamy, and it just is so flavorful, and it tastes just like the kind that you get in the restaurant or the fancy kind that you can buy. And it has, it does have cilantro. Some people don't like the taste of that, and I think that you could take that out if you really wanted to, but it had the simmered onions and the tomato and the garlic, and it was just so tasty. And it's what they put on the tostada chips, and you can just spice it up to your content. It was just a great cheese dip with that. And then it was a gluten-free Christmas. You may have a gluten-free friend that may drop by the trailer for the holidays, and you need to fix something. And I think my trailer breathes gluten So it may not be entirely gluten-free, but at least you tried with the ingredient parts. And I updated my corn chip casserole to be gluten-free, and it's kind of like a Mexican casserole, and it has spices and ground beef, and it was with cheese, and oh, it was so good. You will like it too. You're a gluten-free person. They will be astounded that you went to the trouble, and you'll be like, oh wow, this tastes good too. And I don't know, I think you'll all be happy with it. And it was just really good. And then we did a soup that was outstanding too. It used 7 cans, and you just dump it right on in. And one of the cans was green enchilada sauce, which was surprising. And it used canned chicken in it, and that was so simple. You didn't have to go to any trouble in the kitchen. You just went ahead and just dumped it all into a big bowl, simmered it up on the stovetop, and it was ready to go for your friends or family. It was just, wow. A 7 can, that is, I don't know what to say about that. That was just a great soup, and it just made you look so professional, even though that it was just stuff out of a can with that. And of course, on Sundays we usually do the Trailer Park Rumpus Room. There was another chat. Of course, there's tons of things. I mean, looking back, there's so many recipes. It's a crazy time of year in the trailer park, and these aren't pre-filmed. These are actually very much current, and I'm filming these left and right and trying to do all sorts of things here in the trailer park. It is crazy. And 25 videos and editing them and doing them all by myself here. And if I haven't gotten to your comment, I do apologize. I will get to them. It is a crazy time of year for me, and I'm just so excited to spend the holidays with you. I hope you tell your friends and family about Trailer Park Christmas. You can download the free calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com so you can follow along and use it as a checklist to find out all the recipes. And you can visit trailerparkchristmas.com so you can find out more information about Trailer Park Christmas, and hit that big old like button or subscribe or whatever you have to do wherever you're seeing this video. And I love hearing your comments, and I will actually be back very soon. Actually, tomorrow, I will see here that it is a snack recipe. It's nibbly things. It's going to be exciting, so I do hope you tune in for that. And check out my other videos too. I love spending the holidays with you. Merry Trailer Park Christmas, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that big tornado. Get all filled with pride in the double wide.